Chief Engineer's Log, or How I Learned to Stop Worrying and Love the Foam. Stardate 2024.03.08, the day it all began, sort of. In the beginning, there was foam, and some paint. Oh, and a workspace vaguely resembling order amidst chaos. Much like the universe itself, but with fewer black holes and more cups of coffee. Today, we set forth on Project Genesis, not to be confused with that other Genesis involving more divine powers and significantly less foam. Our mission, to split a single piece of foam into dual realms. One, a testament of ingenuity of Starship engineering, the other, a wild, untamed landscape that would make even the most seasoned explorer pause and say, "That's a lot of rocks." Stardate 2024.03.10. Textures and Sharpies, a love story. Having navigated the existential crisis of a blank foam board, I ventured forth into the realm of texture. My trusty hobby knife, previously just a simple tool for mundane tasks, became my instrument of cosmic craftsmanship. With careful precision, I cut shapes into the foam, transforming it into a mosaic of fabricated panels reminiscent of a spaceship floor. The seams were scored with a sharpened tool, meticulously crafting each line to suggest the panels could, at any moment, slide away and reveal secrets of the universe. Rivets were then simulated with a fine-tipped Sharpie, a process imbued with a significance far beyond merely poking a lot of holes. It hinted at the connectivity of all things, each dot a star, each line a path through the cosmos. Prepped with a coat of flat black paint, setting the stage as dark and mysterious as the farthest reaches of space, or perhaps as deep and unfathomable as the last dregs in my coffee pot this morning. Meanwhile, the alien terrain awaited its transformation. Stardate 2024.03.12. The cracks appear, and not just in my sanity. As the base solidified with the quiet determination of a crafter on a cosmic quest, my gaze turned towards the uncharted territories of the alien landscape. With a hobby knife in hand, a tool now seemingly imbued with the power to reshape worlds, I embarked on an ambitious endeavor, inspired by every sci-fi epic that whispered of danger and discovery. I etched cracks and fissures into the foam. These weren't just random gashes. They were a meticulous homage to the dramatic aesthetics of alien planets, the kind that make you think, yes, this is where I park my spaceship. Then came the roller, a simple tool transformed into an instrument of creativity. With each pass, it endowed the foam with a kind of textured, uneven terrain that could only be born from a universe where gravity is a suggestion rather than a rule. It was as if I was baking a cake, but instead of flour and sugar, I used imagination and a pinch of existential dread. Because, in the end, if there's anything intergalactic explorers or their alien counterparts appreciate, it's the beauty of a landscape that looks as though it was designed by someone who thought, what if we just made everything a little bit more complicated? Stardate 2024.03.14. A symphony of colors in the void. As the painting phase unfurled, it did so with the brilliance of a supernova erupting within the nebula of my imagination. The Starship side, a testament to humanity's reach beyond the stars, was lavished with metallic hues, each a stroke of my sponge a testament to its journey through the cosmic ballet of nebulas and starfields. This wasn't merely painting. It was an act addressing a vessel in the attire of the universe, giving a sheen that said, I've pirouetted through stardust. On the flip side, the alien landscape embraced a spectrum more vibrant than a double rainbow spotted from the deck of an interstellar cruiser on a rainy Tuesday. Why settle for the drab and dreary when the cosmos offers a palette as boundless as the universe itself? Each hue applied to the otherworldly terrain whispered stories of celestial wonders painting not just foam, but dreams onto a canvas that defied the monotony of space. It was as if the universe itself spun the wheel in a cosmic lottery of aesthetics, and every color it landed on was a jackpot. In this symphonic meld of pigments, I found the heart of exploration, not just space, but of the potential within us to imagine worlds vibrant with the spectrum of possibility. Each color carefully chosen was a note in the grand overture of creation, played on the strings of the universe, resonating with the soul of every would-be explorer who dared to dream of worlds beyond their own. Stardate 2024.03.16. The Final Gloss. As our crafting odyssey approached its cosmic conclusion, the two realms on our board stood in vivid contrast, embodying the universe's penchant for duality, exploration and homecoming, creativity and reflection, the enigma of Thursday afternoons. A final coat of protective varnish was our rite of passage, a clear shield ensuring our creation could face adventures, weather spilled beverages, and withstand an odd existential quandary with unwavering resilience. Final reflections, the craft of cosmos. As I seal this log, our terrain board stands as a beacon, not merely a tribute to the spirit of exploration, but a monument to the quintessential human urge to create, to impose order and beauty upon the chaos of the cosmos with paint, foam, and a sprinkle of whimsy. It now patiently awaits its debut in the epic sagas of future adventurers, serving as a lighthouse for dreamers, explorers, and anyone who ever gazed upon a simple piece of foam and envisioned not just a world, but an entire universe waiting to be birthed from their imagination.